What is up, flockers? This is the first time that we're coming to you stateside in a while. It has been a while.
Hi.
You still need to get your hair done. Hi.
Spray bottle.
Y'all see I'm on a crutch? Y'all see I'm on a crutch? It's because of them. They done put me on crutches, y'all. No. Truth is, a lot has happened since we have gotten back stateside. And one of the things that happened was me taking Embers for a walk and rolling my ankle while trying to get on a Zoom call. So lesson that was learned was that I cannot multitask. But yeah, I thought that I had broken my ankle because when it happened, I came down hard on it and I heard a lot of popping. And I was about a mile away from the house and the only one home, so I had to walk home with the dog with my bum ankle. And went to urgent care, found out that it was not broken, but just really badly sprained. So I did the rice where I rested, rest, ice, compression, elevation for a week and got the swelling down and got to the point where I'm walking on it now, but I think I've overdone it and walking a little bit too much to the point now that my heel and stuff is bruised because I'm walking on my foot differently than I normally would. So I'm trying to use the crutches again a little bit, at least one, just so I can take a little bit of the pressure off my foot. But yeah, hopefully I'll be back to normal soon to where I can get back to the regular activities at a normal pace, because things have been slower, obviously, over this last week. But yeah, we're excited because we have a birthday party for one of our friends' kids today that we're about to go to, and it is at one of those trampoline jump places, so we're excited to go to do that. We got to get ready because we need to be leaving in like 30 minutes or so. So we will see y'all on the trampolines. I clearly won't be on the trampolines though. Did you have fun today at the bounce house?
And you never even gave me the camera.
Sure didn't. Did you have fun though? Was it really cool? Did you get to do a lot of bouncing and all that fun stuff?
I went on a zip line.
Was that your favorite thing that you did, was the zip line? Cool deal.
And we got goodie bags and we got cake and pizza and I got this like Coca-Cola.
Icy slushy thing?
Yeah.
Yummers. So it was a good day. We like good days.
I didn't eat cake though.
Nice. We got a little vlogger in the making over here.
Yeah.
Jules, what are you doing? Are you gonna help make some pizza tonight?
Yeah!
Yeah.
I should try this. Yeah! Wait. I want to show them something.
Quickly, so I can go help Mama finish doing the groceries.
Let me scoot this over backwards.
Alright. Baby Simone. Alright. Where are we? Oop, hold on. Where are we getting ready to go?
Target to get started.
No, we're not going to Target. We're just going to Starbucks.
Which one?
The one that's not at Target. We're going to Starbucks.
Oh, I know which one.
She got gift cards for her birthday and she asked if we could go to Starbucks. But there was an agreement. What was the agreement?
If I said any, like...
If we complained about having to do homework or eating dinner, anything like that, after getting your treat for Starbucks, that what was the consequence?
I wouldn't have my purple tablet for the rest of the week.
She wouldn't have her purple tablet for the rest of the week. And today is only Monday, y'all, so that's a long time not to have it. So I'm hoping that she's going to keep her word. I know that she's awesome, and she will. High five. For awesome. That was a weird high five. So yeah, let's hope she keeps her word so she can keep her tablet. Anyways, let's go on to Starbucks and get her drink.
This is the one. Ooh, those are pretty.
What do you think about your white chocolate mocha Starbucks drink that you got. You like it?
Good.
It's good.
It was better than the one that I got from Target.
Oh, well there you go, folks.
It was like vanilla.
Get your Starbucks drinks not from the Target one, but from an actual full Starbucks. So we wanted to get up this morning and go to the Y to swim and have a good time at the little YMCA water park, but the weather out here is quite frightful. No, it's not that bad, but it's August. No, it's September now, y'all. September is upon us, September 2nd. But it's cold out. It's like 68 degrees in the morning, which is wonderful when you're just going on a walk or whatnot. But when you're trying to go to the pool, that's not the kind of weather that you're looking for. And it's all cloudy, and it's not even supposed to get up into the 80s until 2 or 3 this afternoon. So I don't think the pool is going to happen. But what I do know is that we don't feel like making breakfast this morning. And so the kids asked for cereal. So we're going to oblige and let them have some cereal. But I want to try out, have y'all ever had Wendy's breakfast? I've never had Wendy's breakfast. And I love me a croissant breakfast. Burger King used to be where it's at. Burger King is still where it's at with the croissants. But yeah, Wendy's apparently has croissants now. They probably had them for a long time and I'm just not aware. But I was like, let me go get a little croissant. Let me know in the comments, does anybody still use coupons? I know coupons were a big thing when I was a kid, and everybody, I mean, when you went grocery shopping, you had coupons. And now I only see them for food. Maybe they still have them for grocery stores. I don't know. Is couponing still a thing? But I would eat a Wendy's breakfast sandwich even if I didn't have a coupon. But I'm like, hey, we got a coupon, so why not use it? So yeah, I'm gonna go and get the buy one get one free croissants and give Wendy's breakfast a try and see how it is. Can I get the 2 bacon, egg, and cheese croissants, please?
2 bacon, egg, and cheese croissants. Anything else for you?
That'll be all.
Alright, pull on up to the second window.
Thank you. So let's see what Miss Wendy is talking about for breakfast. If she's doing anything at all. Let's see what we got. Okay. I don't know that I would call this a croissant. This isn't giving croissant vibes, but I don't know, maybe I just don't know what a croissant is. I'm used to the ones that look like the crescent shape. Croissant, but maybe not. Looks like we got egg whites, bacon that's actually cooked crispy, because nobody likes bacon where it's still wobbling and the fat is just fatting on the bacon. So I appreciate them crispifying it. And yeah, let's take a bite and see what it's giving. The bread reminds me more of like a Hawaiian roll almost. But let's see. Okay, it's good. It's got some kind of creamy sauce on it too. It's not Burger King, but on a scale of 10, 1 to 10, I'll give it a solid 7.5. Burger King is like a 9 for me. There's a solid 7.5. I'm not sure what they're missing, but there's something missing from it. But overall, it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and devour this. And I need to get outside because the weeds have gotten crazy in our flower beds outside our house. So I need to handle that. See you in a little bit. Okay, so like I mentioned, the outside is looking a hot mess. We were gone to Kazakhstan for a month, and then we came back. Then there was the madness of getting ready for school. And then school started up. And just, yeah, life taking back into full force. And then I had the accident where I rolled the mess out of my ankle. So I've been out of commission for over 2 weeks now. So add all that time up and you've got like 2.5 going on 3 months of no attention being paid to the weeds in the yard. So this is what we're looking like. You see all that grass. There's a little border thing that's in there. I don't know if you can see it, but that is all supposed to be visible going across. So you can see, and then all that, there's rocks under there. So all this grass has to go. So y'all can see, yeah, it's a mess. So we gotta fix that. Progress that I've made so far. Still looks a hot mess, but it looks a lot better. And you'd be surprised that even with just one side of the flower bed done, and with it still having a lot of weeds in it that have to come out, y'all, look, I've got an entire wheelbarrow full of grass and weeds that came up from there. So we're making progress. It's just gonna take some time. So we need to actually go to the flooring store to see if we can get on the schedule to get our floor changed in our bedroom. But yeah, when we come back, we'll get to some more weed pulling. Are you helping Mama pull weeds? Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Have to go.
Run around. You can see me, don't it? Look.
Oh, yeah. You working?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Ew. No.
We decided against going to the pool today. It's just now starting to get warm, but it's still not even hot. So who knows? Second wheelbarrow full. We got the majority of the big stuff, but as y'all can see, there's still chunks. So I think I'll do a little bit more de-weeding, and then we're just gonna have to spray for the majority of it, of what's left. Obviously you can't spray when you got a whole pride land of bush on top of rocks and stuff, but yeah, there's so many weeds, or not weeds, roots that we can't even get to, honestly, because it's just so thick and so much of it. So I think, like I said, we got the majority of it up, and the rest we're just gonna have to rely on some spray to kill and do the rest of the work, so that we don't have to keep doing this every couple of months. So let me go dump this out over there across the street into the little forest area, and then I'm done with yard work for the day. Signing off.